Okay, so we have 21 from 12b. So two non-congruent triangles have the same area, and each triangle has the side of the 8 and 9. And the third side of the each triangle is also integer. And what is the sum of the sides of those third sides? Okay, the question is kind of clear, but let's see what we can do. We have two sides, two different triangles, and we do not know the third one. But it's actually something we look for the log cosine, because imagine there is like triangle, and then you may have something, I don't know, something like this maybe. So I'm going to draw two different triangles. So imagine this is 8, and then this is like 9, and then this is the alpha, and then this is, let's say, 9 or 8, doesn't matter which order, but this angle is like 180 minus alpha. Why do I care about that? Because when you take the sine of, like, the area of two triangles by the sine formula, you can just say 1 over 2 times A times B times sine alpha. This is one way to find the area. When your two sides are equal, so A, B's are equal, so the sine value must be same, and then two sine value be equal to if they're supplementary of each other. So which means we can have two different triangles like this. In that case, if I want to find these two sides, then I can use log cosine. The first one is x squared is equal to 8 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 8 times 9 times cosine alpha. And then the second one is x squared is equal to 8 squared plus 9 squared. It is also minus 2 times 8 times 9, but times cosine of 180 minus alpha. So when you take the cosine of this, like 180 minus alpha, that actually going to be negative of cosine alpha. So that means this negative and this negative will be positive. And then when you add this, because we are looking for the sum of two sides, and then we actually gonna remove these two guys. So you got 2 times 8 squared plus 9 squared, which you can actually compute, that's 290. Okay, so and also we know that the third side, like by the triangle inequality, should be in between the sum of the 8 and 9, which is 17, and the difference of those is 1. So we should get between these two numbers. And then look for two perfect squares that is add up to like 290. And then there is not many options, so you can try like some of them. So 121 is 11 squared, and 169 is 13 squared. That's actually 290. So that's why we got the answer as 11 plus 13, which is 24. And then I believe we had another question this year that also had 24 as the answer, and then there was two 11s as well. So that's kind of interesting. But anyway, so that was number 21.